Welcome back. This is Rob with Bushcraft, California, and today I'm going to be talking seam rippers. Now, this is the standard seam ripper, comes in most kits, and very simple. You have a seam that messed up on somehow, and you need to take it out. So it goes in. And removes the seam. Some of these come with tweezers, so you can take the little threads out and remove the threads. But I recently found something from Rocky Mountain Pens, which is a new seam ripper, and this is what we're going to be looking at. Tools mean a lot. A good tool means everything, and this is a good tool. So you get a certificate of authenticity, and then this is the seam ripper. It comes with a large seam ripper. And we'll get this out of here. Comes with a small seam ripper. And I don't think it'd be a video if I didn't drop something. So it comes with a small seam ripper, which very simple. When not needed, just goes back inside. And then it comes with a little awl, or some people call them stilettos. And again, just seats back into when you're not needing it. And so we have a stitch at two stitch lengths and 3.5 stitch lengths. And again, little ball goes in there. If you can find the seam. And then it just unzips. This is a linen cloth, and so it's not the easiest to work with, and it will just unzip it. And then if you have bigger, you can use the larger. Here's the small, here's the large. And it just slides right through like butter. So you can find these on Amazon. They're about $30, which when I first saw it, I thought $30 for a seam ripper, that's outrageous. But then when I actually saw one in use, I was completely surprised on how good a good seam ripper can be. And then the stiletto, if you get those threads that just don't want to come out, you can pick them, or in your machine you need to get into a small space and get it out, or you need to start a hole for something like an awl. So again, that's Rocky Mountain Pens. You can find them on Amazon for about $30, and they come in all different sort of woods and acrylics. And this wood is it's an olive wood. So there you go, a really good seam ripper. A little expensive, but well worth the money. So thank you for all the subscribers and the comments. And keep crafting. Have a good day. Bye.